Hello everyone! I hope you're all safe and well.
Howdy, how are things going? I hope you're safe and healthy. See you soon.
Hi there. Are you all doing good? I hope you do. Stay safe and sound, everybody. See ya!
Good day, Salutinians. How are you? Always remember that Our Lady of La Salette loves you. See you soon.
What's up, Salutinians? God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good. See ya!
Hi everyone! How are you today? I hope you're using your free time wisely and productively. Never let the COVID-19 stop you from learning.
Hello everyone, how are you? Always make sure to have a great day full of productivity and good vibes. God bless!
A blessed day, Salutinian. I hope all is well with you and your family. I wish you and I love you all. Stay safe!
I am looking forward to meet all of you through online distance learning. I know that you already miss going to school, but just keep in your mind that we are just following the protocol to protect everyone from possible infections. In this kind of situations, just stay home with your family and do not forget to pray, because we, teachers of La Salette of Cabatuan, believe that prayers can change and heal everything. Maybe not yesterday, maybe not today, but in God's perfect day. Have a good day.
Greetings in the name of Our Lady of La Salette. I am Mr. John Michael Pintor Paño, and I am going to be your teacher. Thank you for choosing La Salette of Cabatuan to be your school this academic school year. I am excited to meet you and have you in my class. And I promise that we are going to have a meaningful year full of fun and learning. So, enjoy the remaining days of your summer, and I will meet you next month. Again, thank you, and may the Lady of La Salette bless you and your family. Stay safe, everyone.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Casey Aramil. I hope you are doing well. Since we are experiencing a sudden outbreak of this COVID-19 that affects the whole world and causes a high percentage of mortality, I encourage all of you to just continue praying to our Father that He will bless us with a stronger faith and resiliency. Just stay home, God bless, and see you soon.
Hello everyone, Teacher Ace here speaking. I hope you're doing just fine. Our beloved La Salette School of Cabatuan welcomes you all this school year 2020-2021. Before I say goodbye, I just want to share a quote that every one of you could ponder on. The quote says, "Sometimes we have to go through darkness and rains for us to see the sunshine and rainbows." Stay safe everyone, God bless. See you on my screen.
Salutinian greetings, dearest children of Our Lady of La Salette. This is Mr. Raymond M. Monens, one of your teachers this school year at La Salette of Cabatuan. You are always a part of our prayers, and we hope that you are doing well at the comfort of your homes with your families, nourished by your parents' love and protected by your siblings' care. We hope to keep you soon to our virtual learning online. Keep safe and God bless.
Hello everyone, I am Sir Jonathan Dadoral. I will be one of your teachers for this school year. I wish everybody is doing good despite the pandemic our world is facing right now. It's been so long since we see each other physically. Definitely we miss you a lot, guys. I hope you have been very faithful in following the protocols set by our government, and more importantly, I hope you'd become more prayerful and had developed concern for others. My desire for you is that you continue seeing the light in this world, in yourself and in others, despite the darkness COVID-19 had brought to us. Once again, I would like to welcome you for the next school year. Keep safe and stay home.
Hello, our dearest students. I am Mr. James C. Oliero, and I will be one of your teachers at La Salette of Cabanatuan this school year. I hope that you are all safe and healthy at your home during this time of adversity due to the pandemic. I can't wait to see you soon and be able to teach you face to face just like the old times once this virus is at its end and a cure is already made. I want you to do 3 simple things while at home. Keep safe, stay healthy, and entrust everything to God to heal our land. God bless everyone, and we want to welcome you with the warmest greetings to La Salette of Cabanatuan.
Hello my dear students, I am Ms. Marian Apolonio, a teacher of La Salette of Cabanatuan for the school year 2020-2021. I just want to tell you that you are all amazing. Set your goal high, dream big always, and don't forget to pray. You are always in our hearts and prayers. Keep safe and God bless.
Hello my dear students, I am teacher Princess Geronimo. I will be teaching mathematics for this school year, so just bear with me. Others may be having a hard time to understand mathematics, but it will be fun to learn. So I'm excited to teach you, be ready, and we will have a good time and memories together. I hope you're doing good even we have a pandemic. Keep safe always and God bless.
Hello everyone. I hope you and your family are well and safe. In these uncertain times, your safety and your protection are our utmost priority. We continue to dedicate our commitment as we do everything to protect you and your classmates. As we embrace this new normal in the field of education, we pour out our ardent desire to continue providing you with quality Salentine education. And your yes to heed to the call of Our Lady of La Salette means so much to all of us. We, your LSE family, remain hopeful as we help one another get through this crisis and not turn away from each other in fear. With the blessing of protection and guidance, we could beat this pandemic. Pray and stay safe at home. This is Sir Noe Tadena welcoming you to La Salette of Cabanatuan.
Hi everyone, I am Marjorie Santos. I will be your teacher in civics, mathematics, and accounting. So how's everyone? Are you all good? Always make sure to follow the DOH health protocol. Our health is our wealth. Enjoy the remaining days before the classes start. See you this school year 2020-2021. Even with this pandemic we are facing right now, learning must continue. Remember that La Salette of Cabanatuan cares about you. Stay at home, keep safe, and don't forget to pray. God bless everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Jessica Acosta. I know this year is a very challenging year for all of us, but I hope and pray that you are all doing okay. These are the times that you would normally start a new academic year, so let's do our best. Remember to seek the Lord, always pray, and remember that Mama Mary, Our Lady of La Salette, is just watching over us. I can't wait to see you online. More importantly, I can't wait to see you in person in the future.
A good day to all of you, our dear students. Ma'am Julia Tibalaw here is welcoming all of you to the new school year with our new setup. I hope you have not forgotten to read and do learning activities, even if we are under quarantine. I am looking forward to having distance learning with you. Stay safe and may God be with you all.
Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all well together with your family in this time of pandemic. I know that Our Lady of La Salette protected us all and kept us safe. I'm Mr. Nemesio M. Magalad, your Prefect of Discipline and School Registrar for this school year 2020-2021. I'm here to continue my commitment to guide or assist you to bring out the best in you for you to become a better Salentinian amidst this pandemic. So, let us continue to pray for one another. God bless you all and have a good day.
Good day everyone. I am your school treasurer Maya Flores Malibog, and I am very grateful as you continue entrusting your education to La Salette of Cabanatuan. Learning mode has been changed, but we can still assure you of a quality Catholic education. And as they say, the best thing about education is that no one can take it away from you. So let us unite our hearts in prayers so that in this battle we will end victorious. Have a great day.
Hello, my dear students, our little Maximins and Melanies. How are you at this time? We haven't seen each other for a long time. I hope you and your family are safe. You've been away from school for 4 months. How are you spending your non-school days? I hope you're reading books, praying the Holy Rosary, offering Novena prayers, and attending masses on TV or live stream. I do hope you are also praying for your school and all other people who are victims of the pandemic COVID-19. LSC missed you a lot. I missed you too. Are you excited for school? You've got to prepare now. I can't wait to see you on this day. You and all your teachers will meet on that day through online distance learning, since there will be no face-to-face learning allowed in school. Okay then. See you on that day. Take care of yourselves. Obey your parents. Begin studying and reading. And pray more. I love you all. This is Ma'am Luz, your principal for school year 2020-2021. Bye.
Keep the Salentinian spirit burning.
Hashtag, 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 keep the Salentinian spirit burning.
Hashtag,
keep the Salentinian spirit burning.
Hashtag, keep the Salentinian spirit burning.
Hashtag, keep the Salentinian spirit burning.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.